Hi, hello, welcome to class, Inda. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm good. I'm excited about this class. I've been planning this class like for all the weekend. And now I'm going to share a screen with you.
Okay, teacher.
Here. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So here I have two pictures, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What can you see? What is the difference here between
Uh,
these two pictures? Can you tell me?
yes, there is a kid,
There
and
is a young boy, right?
yeah, he's like very young.
Very young,
And
yes.
on the right, there is a old lady.
Yeah, old woman, yeah.
Yeah, very old, I think.
Okay,
Looks
good.
cool. She looks cute. Yeah.
Yeah, like she cooks for you. Okay.
Yeah.
And okay, what about these two
Mm.
pictures? What can you see?
Well, the picture on the right, on the left side, there is a like a old phone. It's telephone, right? The old ones.
Yes, we
Telephone,
don't use these telephones anymore, right?
right? I have seen one of them,
Uh-huh.
but like
Yeah,
in a house.
maybe in movies or
No,
or
even I saw it in the real life, but like in
uh-huh.
all hotels and
Yes.
like.
Yes,
But in
in like in Plazuela Machado, there's one. Yes.
yes, just for decoration, I think.
And what about the
Of
orange one, the
uh,
iPhone?
the there is the newest iPhone, I think it is.
Yeah, it
The
has three cameras, right?
Yeah, mine only has
Also,
two cameras. Is
also I think it is really expensive. Don't you
Yes,
think so?
yeah, for me, yes, it's really expensive.
Okay. And okay, what about
Mm.
these two pictures? What
Ooh.
can you see?
The
Do
one
you
in
like
the
cars?
I'm not really into cars, but
Uh-huh.
I like the feel of the feeling of driving a car. But I
Okay.
don't know a lot of the models and that.
And
It,
which car do you prefer here?
mm, use like not not well, sport ones, but not
Haha.
like Ferraris and things like that.
Lamborghini.
Use
Okay, okay.
like cars
But
that can be used in the street, but
uh-huh.
looks like they are really fast.
Okay, good. So, taking back the difference here,
Mhm.
what can you see? Maybe oh, I see that the main difference could be the color of the car.
Yes, is
But
one of the things.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yes. But do we
actually, I
see
think okay.
these
Okay.
cars like nowadays, like the
Mm,
blue one?
well, not that model, I think, but yes, you
Uh-huh.
can see really old cars in the streets.
Okay, yes.
Yes,
And this
actually,
one is
I think it's more common here in Mazatlan, of course,
ajá,
right?
let's hear
Here in
Mazatlán.
Mazatlan is a little bit more common because the one in the right, I think they are expensive.
Yes.
So not all the people can afford one of those cars.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay. So
the okay,
there's a
continue.
clear difference, right,
Yeah,
between
there's a
these cars.
difference.
Okay. So to make difference in the we use comparatives.
Okay.
I think you are not really familiar with this topic. So let me
No.
introduce you this, okay?
Okay.
In this case, I'm going to read the sentence for you, okay? The boy is younger than the woman. Okay, do you remember the picture?
Yes, I remember that.
Okay. The red phone is older than the orange one.
Mhm.
And the last one is the red car is faster than the blue one.
Mhm.
Okay, these sentences are comparing two things, whatever. But here we compare two things and we use an adjective like in the middle of the sentence
Mhm.
to make this difference. Let me explain you a little bit. better. Like here, you have to know that there are some short adjectives and long ones, long adjectives, okay? So here I have some examples like young, old, and fast. So to make the comparative form, we add an er plus than, okay? So young becomes younger, old older, and fast faster. Yes. So let me give you some examples.
Mm-hmm.
The boy is younger than the woman. Who is younger? The boy.
Yes, uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
The first subject is younger.
Mm-hmm.
The next one. The red phone is older than the orange one. Which one is older? The red phone. And the last one, the red car is faster than the blue one. Which one is faster? The red car. Okay.
Okay.
So I hope you're taking notes about this in that because you're going
See,
to
let
need
me
this
take like the
later on.
form of the phrase.
Okay. Yeah, you can write it down.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, good in there. So what about the long adjectives? We use, instead of adding like an e and an r to the adjective, we add a more before.
Mhm.
More plus adjective plus than. Okay?
Mhm.
For example, expensive, we say more expensive than, more comfortable than, and
Mhm.
more interesting than. Like, I have these two examples. This movie is more interesting than the book. Online
Okay.
classes are more flexible than traditional classes.
Okay.
Okay, and you can see these adjectives are long, so we don't use the previous form, we don't use it.
Okay.
Okay, so you can take notes on that about this. Okay. Oh, surprise! There are
Irregular.
some irregular comparatives. Yes, there are. There are some, a few ones, but here
Okay.
I have like the most used ones, the more famous, that is good and bad. So good becomes better and bad becomes worse. Okay, please write
Okay.
it down because you're going to need it. And I have these two examples. Soccer is better than basketball.
Okay.
Use an example in that case. Today's weather is worse than yesterday's. As you can see, we don't use good or bad. We just change the
Mm.
complete form into better or worse.
Okay.
There is not a rule about this.
Mhm.
Okay, so I have an example here. Math is more difficult than English. Okay, I have a question for you in that.
Okay.
Are we comparing two things or three?
Mm, use two things, I think.
Yes, two things, right? Math and English.
And can we compare three or use two?
No, we can't.
Oh,
With comparatives, we only compare two things, okay?
okay.
I have another question for you.
Okay.
Which one is difficult, math or English?
For me, It was, for me,
No, no,
English
no.
is
In this
difficult.
example, in the
Ah, well, for me, English is more difficult because
uh-huh.
math has been always been easy for me.
Okay,
So, but English is not.
okay. And I have another question in there.
Okay,
Why do we say math is more difficult than English instead of math is difficulter than English?
because
What about the adjective? Is it
mm,
short, long?
it's a long adjective. So
Yes,
I
right.
think because it's more easier to add a more
Aha, because it is long, we use more
more.
and then
Okay.
okay, good in the good. So let's move on to the first exercise, okay?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh my god. So let me explain you. I have here these 9 sentences, incomplete sentences, of course. Your job is to complete these sentences using the correct comparative form. Okay, as you can see,
Mm,
there is an adjective here, here, here. So what you're going to do is to change it, okay, in order
okay.
to make this comparative form. Okay, for
Okay.
this exercise in that, you will have 10 minutes. Okay,
Okay. But
so to make sure you understood, are you going to are you going to change these adjectives or just read them?
no, I have to change it to
Okay,
the context. Yeah.
okay, good. Okay, and I have another question. How much time will you have for this activity?
10 minutes?
10 minutes,
Yeah,
perfect.
right?
So you can start now. Please write it down in your notebook.
Okay.
10 minutes later.
Okay, Inda, time's up. How you doing?
I
Did you finish?
finish. Yeah, I finished it. I think it's right.
Okay, good, Inda, perfect. So let's check. Okay, uh, I will read the first one, and then you're going to read but complete. Okay.
Okay.
My laptop is than my old one.
Okay. I put my laptop is faster than my old one. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes.
faster, correct, nice in that. What about the second one? Can you read it complete?
With the completed
Yeah, with the
the answer.
comparative form.
Okay. English is more difficult than chemistry. Chemistry.
Okay, perfect. Yes,
Okay.
perfect because it is long, right?
Okay. Yeah. It's long.
Yes. Okay, the third one, please.
This restaurant is more expensive than the other one.
Yes, perfect. I think you
Ah,
got this in the
kinda
please.
easy. It's
And
kinda easy. It's kinda easy.
yes, the
Okay.
next one, please.
TikTok is popular than Facebook among teenagers.
Can you read it again?
TikTok is popular.
Okay,
Oh, it sounds strange, right? Popular than Facebook among teenagers. Is,
okay.
is it right?
There is a small mistake in that. Don't worry
Ah,
about it. Okay, let me write the previous
okay.
answers. More difficult. He you said more expensive, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And here you said, I sorry, popular like this.
Well, I use add and not popular and add and E and at R.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay, in the, but what about the adjective? Is it short or is it long?
Well, yeah, I think it's
I
long,
think it's
right?
long, right? Okay, yes. So in this
Okay.
case, what would be the right answer here?
TikTok is more popular than Facebook
More,
among teenagers. More,
yes, right.
yeah, true.
More popular. I sorry. So, can you continue with the next one,
Okay.
please?
My house is smaller than my cousin house.
Smaller? Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
smaller. Nice.
Smaller, yes. The next one?
Okay. Today is gooder than yesterday.
Okay. Good there. Okay. In the good, is it long or short?
Well, it's short now.
It is a short adjective, yes. But why don't we use er? Do you remember about the regular adjectives?
Oh, I have it. I write it there here.
Yeah,
I
please check
forget
your
about it.
notes. Uh-huh.
Well,
So what is the correct answer here?
today
How do we
is
change good into a comparative form?
today is better
Better,
than
yes.
yesterday. It's
Eh,
better.
Yes, that's better. Okay, good. Better, yes. So, the next one, please. Number 7.
Traveling by plane is more comfortable than traveling by bus.
Okay, perfect. More
Uh,
comfortable, yes. Then traveling by bus. Okay, perfect. So, what about number 8? What do you have?
this exam was worse than the last one.
Worse, yes. Now you remember, right? About
Yeah.
the irregular form?
Yeah.
Yes. This mistake will never happen to you again.
No, never.
Never ever. Okay. What about the last one in there?
Watching a movie at home is cheaper than going to the cinema.
Perfect.
Yes.
Cheaper. Right? Because it is a short adjective.
Yeah.
It follows the rule, right?
Just cheap,
Yes.
cheaper.
Perfect. Okay, in that. So this is the last exercise, so you can go. So are you excited?
Well, I like having class with you, so
Yeah.
I still wanna
Thank you
be
in that.
learning things.
That's so sweet. But let's move on, okay?
Okay.
So, like this activity consists in comparing things. That's the topic in the, of course.
Mhm.
So, as you can see, I have like two banks of words. The first one, it has pairs of
Yeah.
words, like cats and dogs, TikTok and YouTube, summer and winter. So, I think you now have like an idea of what are you going to do.
Okay. Yeah.
So, yes, so here I have six pairs of words. So in the what I want you to do is to make six sentences, one for each.
Fair.
I have each pair, yes.
Okay.
And here I have some adjectives that you can use to make these sentences. You can
Like
use these ones, or maybe if you know another one and you want to include them in your sentence, you can do
okay.
it. You're
So
free to do it.
it can be my own ideas.
Yeah, your own ideas.
Okay.
You just have to compare these two things.
Okay.
Okay? So for this activity, you will have 10 minutes in that. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, perfect. So I have some questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Uh, what are you going to compare here?
Mm, the pairs?
The pairs, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And will you use these adjectives or not?
Yes, I can use it or add more if I know it.
Yes, perfect. So how much time will you have in that?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. So you are ready to start, so go on in that.
10 minutes later.
Okay, in the time is up. Did you finish? Or
Yes,
do
I
you
did.
need some more time?
No, it's okay.
That's okay. Okay, perfect in that. So, can you read your first sentence, please?
Okay. I wrote
Uh-huh.
cats are smaller than dogs in general.
Okay, perfect. Cats are smaller
Yeah.
than dogs. Okay, that's correct. Yes. The next one, please.
Okay. YouTube is more entertaining than TikTok.
And then tick-tock. Okay. Yes, perfect.
And the third one, summer is hotter than winter.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Summer is hotter than winter. Okay, I can see that you use a new adjective in that.
Yeah,
That that's
I,
good in
I
that.
use the adjective hot.
Okay, perfect. So what about soccer and basketball?
Basketball is more interesting than soccer.
Perfect. And do you actually think so in that?
Yeah, kind of. Because well, maybe because I'm not really into basketball. But also, yeah, well,
Okay.
I know basketball, but I don't play it a lot, and I just see him far away, and for me it looks interesting.
Okay, I agree with you. Okay, what about reading books?
Reading books is more boring than watching movies. Yeah.
Actually, I have to say that I'm not a big reader. I don't like to read at all. So,
You didn't write the adjective in
oh,
the first
sorry.
one.
Sorry, reading books
It's
is
more boring.
more boring. Yes, sorry. Sorry, Inda, sorry. So, you
Okay.
can continue. You have a good eye, eh?
Yeah, I was watching you. Well,
Okay.
watching the text.
I actually it was tricky because I wanted to prove that you were
Uh,
paying attention.
yeah, and I
Okay.
am paying attention. So
Okay.
the other one is traveling by plane is faster than traveling by bus. By bus.
Bye bye. Sorry, right, okay.
Yeah,
So in the well done in that.
yeah, thank you.
These are some really good examples. I can see that you understood this topic. You mastered it. So, congratulations in that. We are going to continue with this topic for the next class. We are
Okay,
going to go beyond this, okay? So, you're going to
okay, sir.
learn a few more things about this topic. Yes.
I will be waiting for that class.
Okay, and I see you kind of excited
Okay.
about this. Okay, so good. Thank you for your time and see you next class, okay?
Bye.
Bye, ciao.